Let me show you a quick way to fix photos with bad lighting in Photoshop. This technique works great with old photos, portraits, or any photo with poor lighting or an unwanted color cast. Start by going into the filter menu and choosing Neural Filters. These filters use machine learning technology to create effects. The Colorize neural filter is meant to colorize black and white images, but you can also use it to fix photos with lighting problems. The results are amazing, but they're not perfect. There are a few imperfections we need to fix. No need to use these sliders, we will apply manual adjustments instead. But make sure to check the output as a new color layer box. It's going to look terrible, I know, but that's what you want. Then output to a new layer and press OK. The image looks great, and we now have a layer with just the color information and the blend mode set to color. By the way, name your layers, it's a good habit to get into. Next, we'll fix the imperfections. The AI missed a few things, like her shirt and parts of her skin. We'll work with the shirt first, create a new layer, and clip it to the layer below. The overlay on screen shows the keyboard shortcuts for both Windows and Mac. Now it's time to start painting. Select the brush tool and hold the Alt key on Windows. That's the Option key on the Mac to temporarily enable the eyedropper tool. And click on the shirt to make the foreground color green. Then enable the color layer and paint over the shirt to make it green. Remember, this layer is clipped to the layers below, so you don't have to change the blending mode to color. Photoshop will treat these layers as one. This is what the down pointing arrow indicates. It will take the blending mode from the parent layer. You can then repeat this process for areas that need work, like her skin, but do it in a separate layer to maintain control over individual pieces.